How to get bot lobbies in Fortnite. I'm going to show you how you can consistently get easier matches to improve your experience and secure more wins by utilizing these matchmaking strategies. So, to get started, you can try playing at off peak hours for your local server region. When the total player count is lower, the game engine is more likely to fill your lobby with AI bots instead of highly skilled competitive players. Then, you need to adjust your matchmaking region in the game settings by manually switching to a server in a different time zone where it is currently very early in the morning or deep in the night. You significantly increase your chances of finding less populated lobbies. Keep in mind that this might slightly increase your ping, so test your connection first. Additionally, you can play with a friend or use a secondary account that has not logged into Fortnite for a long time. The game often treats these returning players with easier, but heavy lobbies to encourage them to keep playing. If you're struggling with your current performance, intentionally finishing matches early for a few games in a row can also lower your skill based matchmaking rating, signaling to the game that you need a less challenging opponent pool. Once you drop into these lobbies, stay focused on your rotations and loot pets to maximize your stats without the pressure of top tier builders. By combining these methods, you can effectively control the difficulty level of your games and enjoy a much more relaxed environment whenever you choose to play.